Parasitic nutrition. Dear, do you know there are some plants which do not have chlorophyll?
I never heard about this, but it's really amazing. So how do they get their nutrition?
Like humans, such plants depend on other plants and animals for their food as heterotrophic nutrition. Let us discuss more about it. Have you observed yellow tubular structures twining around the stem and branches of a tree? This is a plant called Cuscuta, which does not have chlorophyll. The plant on which it climbs is called a host. Cuscuta gets its nutrients from that plant. Thus it is called as parasite. Have you heard of plants that can eat animals? Pitcher plants have leaves that form a lid, which can open and close the mouth of the pitcher. When an insect lands in the pitcher, the lid closes and the trapped insect gets entangled into it. The insect is digested by the digestive juices secreted in the pitcher. Such insect-eating plants are called insectivorous plants.